Hi guys, yay! Close that door, have a bit of fun. Now, some of you know about this old amp meter here. I don't know what this video is going to look like, so I'm going on a GoPro. But, you know, yeah, sorry, back to it. This old amp meter I got from a abandoned factory in Smethwick about 4 years ago. It's been sat around doing nothing. Finally guys, I've got my hands on the right CT for it. Now, the ratio is 300 to 5. Ratio on this, 300 to 5. Perfect. About 20 quid that was. So what we're going to do, we're going to short out the secondary on this high current transformer. Last I seen, I got about 700 odd amps. So put that there, you might be able to see it. So I don't know what GoPros are like. That is energised at the minute. So let's give it some and see what we get. I can only hold it on for a very short time. Ready? 740 amps. Quite substantial that. So now we're going to disconnect. We're going to run it to the back of there. Just going to make sure that's not getting stuck on anything. Now what I don't want to do is blow this, so we're just going to pulse it very, very gently, because I don't know how it's going to go. Whoa, that went all the way up. Guys, she does work. Wow. Right, let's pull it around so you can get in on it. I'm in the standard mount for a GoPro. It's GoPro Hero 2, by the way. I don't want anything flash. This is just for YouTube videos. And if you can see in the background as well, it has a backpack on it, so you can also see on the phone. It's great, nice little piece of kit. Oh man, that's beautiful. Whoa! What now? So yeah, that must be over 700 amps then. Damn! Wow! So we're going to take that off because we've now established that that CT is perfectly working. Sorry, working perfect. We're going to get round to that. We're going to actually install that somewhere on the wall. I don't know. Somewhere up there. Maybe there, I don't know. We'll get to it. Oh man, I want to fry something. We've got a pencil in here. What the hell was that? Someone outside? Yeah, some idiot. Yeah, I want to fry something. I want to get a little burn on the workbench or something. And we'll put the clamp meter back on. Yeah, for the fun. We'll situate that there. Let's say an overload. Let it go back. Right, what can we burn, man? What can we burn? I'll just do something simple. I wonder if these pliers are any good. Well, no, they're no good. Ah, let's kill a set of pliers. Pull this one out of the way, because we're going to be able to move it anyway. So we'll have that there. And we'll short this out against that. It's obviously not a very good connection. There we go. 550 amps. Smoky. Oh yeah. Got it glowing. Another burning the worktop. Ah. Oh, it's welded to it. There you go. Oh, I wonder if that will still work. Oh, that's amazing. It still works. There you go, guys. If you want a pair of pliers and you want to give them some serious abuse, get a set of these, man. They will take 550 amps. Damn, I'm impressed with that. As promised, well, sorry, not yet as promised, but I promise I will be putting more turns on that to just see what else we can get. If I don't get over 1,000 amps, I want more than 1,000 amps actually. Get that open. I'll want about 3000 amps, so I need to get a much bigger transformer, rip off the secondary and get some more of this cable. Because as it stands, I've only got about 10 foot of this cable. Guys, I'll see you in the next video, and hopefully this nice vintage meter will be installed. See you soon. We can find the stop button on this. Oh no, you just press it on there.